Next up, Vienna. So to get to Vienna, I'm gonna follow a bicycle path along a highway on the east side of Austria. Wish me luck, because there's a bit where I'm gonna have to climb a very high pass. And I'm not too worried, because the good thing about Austria is there's a lot of good bicycle paths. Pretty much all over the country there's really good cycling routes, so I'm really enjoying it here so far, especially as a cyclist. It's like a cycling paradise. Anyway, I'll keep you posted soon. Another good thing about the cycling network here in Austria is it's well signposted. As you can see here, it says R49 Mooswaartsradweg. I might have butchered that pronunciation there, but it's the road that I've been following since the town in Graz. And I think my GPS is also directing me through this route. It's just nice to see all those signposts, you know, you're never gonna get lost. You're gonna get fined depending on what you throw on the ground. Very good. Such a nice property up there. Look at that, wild deer. Just grazing. Majestic. R49, 5.15 kilometers. We're up there. Oh my god, so steep. Just gonna push it up. I've now done about 30 kilometers from Graz, and in the last 15 kilometers I got caught by rain, and now it's gotten heavier. I don't know what the forecast is, but I'll probably just rest for a bit and carry on. Servus. I don't know what it is. It's like a tower where you could climb up there. So I'm gonna check out this tower. Looks like there's some names of people out there. It's numbered. Oh, look at this. I wanna cycle some more because I've just added Vienna into my route, which make it about 14 days cycle if I were to do 50 kilometers a day. And then it looks like I'm just gonna have to crank it up when I get to Vienna into Munich. I like this. They created this hole. It's some kind of ventilation. That's why it's quite airy in here. There's another one here. All around. So that's pretty cool. Look at that! Amazing view! Oh my god! The view! It's a 360 view of this thing! Wow, I'm glad I went up here. Oh my god, it's so windy as well. Oh, where's Graz? Somewhere. So many hills, so many mountains. I cycled today. So cool. Okay, I think I can figure out where Graz is just by looking at here. Okay, Shackle is where we were yesterday. Yes, there you go, Graz. So Graz in that direction. I was right. Too far. Okay, cool. That way. Stubenberg, Ravenwald, Massenberg. Now, where is the way to Vienna? I have no clue. Oh, actually, this is where I need to be, I think. Could be wrong. But anyway, look at this view. I think I'm gonna sleep here. It would be so cool. I'm just gonna have to lock my bike down there. It's a long way up, but I think I can manage it. I think what I'm gonna do is I'll eat down there right at the bottom because there's chairs and tables there. And when it comes to sleeping, I'm gonna carry my stuff up here. And then tomorrow I'll just wake up here. I've wild camped in all sorts of places before, but there's nothing like this, so I'm quite excited. As long as no one will tell me off here, I think I'll be fine. Yeah, it's so cool out here. It's so windy though. As long as it doesn't rain as well. It's like watching a panorama. Like a picture, 360 view. Oh my god. I can't believe this. It's so beautiful. Austria is amazing. It's a beautiful country. Everything seems perfect.